This problem, we're asked to solve the system using elementary row operations on the equations, and we're going to follow the systematic elimination procedure. And this is the system that we're solving here. Okay, so let's take a look at it. I got it written down here. And forgive the previous problem above. Here's the problem that we have. Now, the systematic elimination procedure would be to make this a 1 and then eliminate. That's one way to do it. So you would divide everything here by 2, which would make sense because these are all divisible by 2, and then you would add it to -4. But I'm going to kind of skip a step here. As you can see that if I multiply this entire equation by -2, instead of first dividing it by 2 and then multiplying it by 4, which is the same as multiplying it by -2, we can eliminate this way as well. So if we do that, -2 times 2 is -4, and -4 and 4 is 0, so that eliminates x1. -2 times 4 is a -8. -8 and 7 is -x2. And -2 times -2 is 4, and 4 and 1 is 5. So that must conclude that x2 is -5. If we divide both sides by -1. Okay, so now we're going to look at this second equation here. We'll have 4x1 plus 7 times x2, and x2 is -5. And that's going to equal 1. So 4x1 minus 35, because 7 times 5 is 35, is equal to 1. We're going to add 35 to both sides. That gives us that 4x1 is 36. And if we divide both sides by 4, that gives us that x1 is 9. Okay. So let's check and see if this matches our solution here with our original problem. Okay, so we'll have 2x1, and x1 is 9, plus 4x2, and x2 is -5. And that should give us -2. And let's see, 18. 2 times 9 is 18. And 4 times -5 is -20. If we add those up, we get -2. And that works. Let's see if it works in the second equation, because these problems are real easy to check, because you can just plug them in. 4 times 9 plus 7 times -5, and that should give us 1. Okay, so 4 times 9 is 36, and 7 times -5 is -35, and 36 minus 35 is 1, so that works too. So the solution here is 9, comma, -5. The order pair 9, -5. So let's go and check and see if our solution is correct, and it should be. So we'll have 9, comma, -5, and that is indeed the answer.